Hello everybody. So yesterday I went back to the pneumatic factory and I got all this stuff. But I didn't just get this and this bag. Well, actually this bag is full of stuff. Especially stuff that I could get about like £15 for. But yeah, it is quite a lot of stuff in this bag. But also guys, if you're wondering, wait, what's this book? Well, this is a new series of books called Henry and Harry's Space Adventure. This is an adventure story. I said adventures and yeah, it'd be cool if it was an adventures book, but yeah, it's called Henry and Harry's Space Adventures Book 2. So I don't know if there's a book 1. I think that's a mistake or something. Let's give you a quick sneaky peek of what it actually is. I noticed all planets that shaped as Henry. So yeah, it's quite cool actually. And at the back, Hetty actually has a car. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna make a remake of that. This book, or at least just Hetty making that car that I just showed you. But speaking about Hetty, I got another Hetty plush, which looks actually nearly exactly the same from the old one. So what I'm thinking of doing is replacing it. Because my other Hetty plush is, it's kind of getting like more squished and like squashed now. So I'm probably going to replace it with this one. So you'll probably see this one in my next Henry and Hetty plush video. Next we have this. Now you can't tell anything about this, you can't. But I don't know what you can see. It says Pneumatic International, and on yours it just says nothing. I don't know what it's for.
It stretches.
No, it doesn't.
Pull the wire. It's to put the badge on when you're in work and your keys, so you can stretch it to open things.
Oh, okay, there goes. I don't know that one. Yeah, so good thing I found that stretches, because that is quite cool. I got loads and loads of these keychains. I got those two of Charles, George, Hetty, and Hetty. I don't know, one of those pneumatic things. Hetty. Yeah, we're gonna try not be much rough with this one, because this one is like in perfect shape and like the other one's like all score. Plus, the old one is starting to break. Oh yeah. What's it called? Like mouse pad. This is a mouse pad. Sadly, I don't have a PC, but my nan does, so I might sell it to them. Yeah, you can see it does have a cool look thing. This would be good for like wallpaper. Like look. It doesn't have any difference. But it says www.pneumatic.com. Get to our website. Okay. Oh yeah, also I got another one of those Hetty notebooks. I don't think I showed you the other one I got. But you can see, for some reason it's a bit scratched, but I don't care. And I also got a Henry notebook. I got all the stuff I showed you now right here. seat mat. Of course I'll be putting it back in the bag, but yeah. And here is the latest brochure for the 50th anniversary. Happy birthday, Pneumatic. And actually, guys, what I did find cool. Oh yeah, also guys, I don't know if you know, I don't know if you've been like following Pneumatics for like a while, but James has turned blue. There he is. He's turned blue. And I did that, and actually I do have a yellow Pneumatic James. But it's on the box, I have to jack it out of the box and do a demonstration to it. Or, if I do get the latest James, I can compare it with the old James. And before it used to be purple as well, so James has been like many colours. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna find this. Yeah, look, here's a new one. Henry 170, new. But that's not for houses though, sadly. I would like to get one. Please excuse me, I can't close again. Oh, I don't know if you remember on like I don't know if you remember on my first video I did. Oh, actually, it was meant to be my first video, but it was uploaded like later on. My cat kept jumping in the bags, and it was really annoying. Yeah, here's a new one. I don't know if you can see it says Pneumatic Hair, but trying to spot it. No. There it is. I'll close up. There it is, Pneumatic Hair. Does it really good. And also the trade lines, right? Yeah. From it. And oh yeah, here's my jacket. No Hoovers. The ones for adults are called Leo as well. Not because I went to the factory, but before we end the video as well, after I showed you what I got, I'll tell you something very special that will be happening. Okay, so I'll separate all these keychains.
Don't forget your grey Henry.
Oh yeah, we'll get to that after. I completely forgot about that. Good job. Reminded me. I think this is from one of Pneumatic's offices, to be honest, because I doubt like a kid would be one of them. Nice pilot. Yeah, so I would have laid that out. But man, I was thinking of sending some of these keychains. I got like plenty. That's not even like out. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, I got another of these. I can see some more keychains in this. Put that one there. Oh yeah, guys, this is the rarest toy you'll ever see. Well, actually, the rarest toy that you'll ever see that's 3D printed. I knew it was me. Wait, what's that then? Cool, isn't it? I didn't actually make this mine. Pneumatic gave it to me from one of their big 3D printers that they used to make Henrys. Just like the Henry Snow before it was made into an actual Henry. Okay, nice. Put that by you in the corner. And I got, oh god, I got like 2 more. Oh no, sorry, I haven't got 2 more. I got like 1 more, but it's like upstairs. More of the Space Adventures. Just. I'll start popping things underneath now. There you go. Put this one underneath. That's all the merch I'm and two more George keychains. These are shoes my cat. And the Pneumatic thing again. Just do packaging off. Oh, here we don't mind him, it's just he's actually if he just walks on the stuff. But that Pneumatic thing again, and one that's not even open yet. So I'm gonna pop them on here. And I don't care putting them in orders no more. But yeah, that's it. Just a bit of packaging. And then we're going to show you the most. So wait, actually, I'll pop head by you. Now you'll probably know all what this bucket is from. It's from a new vac, and I found it in like a corner. Space Adventures. I got to pop that, but yeah, now, yeah. New vac. I saw him in like a corner. I was like, oh, I like that Great Henry, and then the person doing the tour just like literally walked up to it, took it, put in like a wrapper, and then I had this new vac bucket. And I was thinking of putting my Henry lid on there, but if you ever have an old Henry lid and pop it on a new Henry like tub, well, this bit stops it from going on. And on the newer Henrys, they usually have like a broken like thing that you can like stick it on. But I don't want to have to like actually cut off like a bit of my Henry. So perhaps I might need to buy a newer bucket off of like eBay or something. Yeah. Now guys, when I say this, you just won't believe me at all. But when it comes, you'll believe me. They put away new vac. Got new vac, you can just go away. I fancy honey. Look at us. Look at us. I might make a new vac plush even to go with my Henry and Henry, like do like a new vac video. But guys, this announcement is really important. Pneumatic has actually said that, what's your favourite colour? And I said, probably like the same colour as Henry Allergy. And they said that perhaps you could have your own model with your own name on it. And you just go, no, that can't be happening. Like millions, like even if that did happen, like millions would be asking for it. But you'll just have to see when it comes. But one more thing I do want to say. I actually been in the pneumatic advert filming centre, where they're like, I don't know if you know, like when you go on Pneumatic's website, you see a picture of Pneumatic in like a white background. Well, I went in that exact white background and I got a photo taker, and I don't know, I'll just like do maybe like a picture video or something. Well, I do have a video from the Pneumatic factory that I'll show you, that I'll probably upload on YouTube, just to show you what the showroom looks like. But yeah, I guess that's it for like the entire Henry collection. And like, yeah, it's really good in the factory. Okay, so thanks for watching and goodbye.